Ford Model AQ&A.
You keep sliding over there. You're getting far away.
Today's question comes from Duane.
Hey, Duane.
Hey, Duane. He's saying, quick question. I noticed that the ignition wire is connected to the coil. Everything works still. Should I change it? Let's look at the picture and see what Paul thinks.
That is a cluster foxtrot. I don't know what this... Okay, where's that wire? I have no idea.
Yeah?
It looks like the wire on the right is going to the high voltage. Okay, first of all, Duane, I am very sorry. But actually, first things first, that is a sweet-looking clear distributor cap. Yeah, major kudos for that. That is sweet-looking. As far as the coil go, I have no idea what's going on here. Of course, it's difficult to tell from the picture, but I'm guessing that's a do-over. Do it right. I don't know what's going on with that.
So the answer is he should change it?
I would, just for the simplicity's sake of having it wired properly. And
Okay.
yeah,
Just for future things not going wrong?
You've heard "don't poke the bear"?
Yeah?
Yeah, don't poke Zeus. That high voltage, don't poke Zeus. Do it right.
Keep those Model A's driving for generations to come.